Welcome to the Money Major channel. In this video, we'll walk you through the essential steps to establish and improve your credit score. Let's get started on your journey to financial health. This is why you need good credit. Okay, let's talk about credit. Credit is a term that gets thrown around a lot, but what does it really mean? It can seem like a big, scary word, but it's not as complicated as you might think. Many people feel overwhelmed when they hear the word credit, but understanding it can actually empower you to make better financial decisions. Simply put, credit is the ability to borrow money or access goods and services with the promise that you'll pay later. This concept is fundamental to many financial transactions and can be a powerful tool when used wisely. Think of it like a loan. When you borrow money, you're essentially taking out a loan that you agree to pay back over time, often with interest. When you use credit responsibly, it's like building trust with lenders. This trust is crucial because it determines how much money you can borrow and the terms of your loans. You're showing them that you're reliable and will pay back what you borrow. This reliability is reflected in your credit score, a numerical representation of your creditworthiness. This trust translates into a good credit score, which is super important for your financial future. A high credit score can open doors to better interest rates and more favorable loan terms. A good credit score can save you thousands of dollars in interest on things like mortgages, car loans, and even credit cards. Imagine being able to buy your dream home or car with a lower interest rate, saving you money in the long run. It can also make it easier to rent an apartment or even get certain jobs. Many landlords and employers check credit scores as part of their decision-making process. So building good credit is a smart move, no matter where you are in life. Whether you're just starting out or looking to improve your financial standing, understanding and managing your credit can have a significant impact on your future. Educating yourself about credit and how it works is the first step. There are many resources available, from books to online courses, that can help you become more knowledgeable about managing your credit. Setting financial goals and creating a budget are also essential steps in building good credit. By planning your finances and sticking to your budget, you can ensure that you're using credit responsibly. Paying off your credit card debt on time and in full is one of the best ways to improve your credit score. It shows lenders that you can manage your debt effectively. Regularly reviewing your credit report and disputing any errors is also important. Mistakes on your credit report can negatively impact your score, so it's crucial to address them promptly. By taking these steps, you can build a strong credit history and set yourself up for financial success. Remember, good credit is not just about borrowing money. It's about creating opportunities and achieving your financial goals. Now let's talk about your credit score, often called your FICO score. This three-digit number is a crucial part of your financial health and can significantly impact your ability to secure loans, credit cards, and even housing. It's a reflection of your creditworthiness and financial responsibility. Think of it as a GPA for your finances, a numerical representation that tells lenders how risky it is to lend you money. Just like a high GPA can open doors to academic opportunities, a high credit score can unlock better financial options, such as lower interest rates and higher credit limits. The higher the score, the better. A high credit score indicates that you are a low-risk borrower, which makes lenders more willing to offer you favorable terms. Conversely, a low score can limit your financial opportunities and result in higher interest rates. Several factors go into calculating this magical number. Understanding these factors can help you take control of your financial future and improve your score over time. Your payment history, or whether you pay your bills on time, is the most important factor. Consistently making on-time payments shows lenders that you are reliable and can manage your financial obligations responsibly. Then there's your credit utilization ratio, which is how much of your available credit you're using. Keeping this ratio low, ideally below 30%, demonstrates that you are not overly reliant on credit and can manage your spending. The length of your credit history also plays a significant role. A longer credit history provides more data for lenders to assess your financial behavior, making it easier for them to predict your future actions. The types of credit you have, such as credit cards, loans, and mortgages, are also considered. A diverse mix of credit types can positively impact your score, as it shows you can handle different kinds of financial responsibilities. Finally, any new credit you've applied for also plays a role. Applying for multiple new credit accounts in a short period can be seen as a red flag by lenders, as it may indicate financial distress or overextension. Don't worry if some of these terms sound confusing, we'll break them down. Understanding your credit score and the factors that influence it is the first step towards taking control of your financial future. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into each of these elements and provide tips on how to improve your score. So, how do you start building credit if you're starting from zero? It might seem daunting, but it's totally doable. One of the easiest ways is to get a secured credit card. A secured card is different from a regular credit card because you put down a security deposit usually equal to your credit limit. This deposit reduces the risk for the lender, making it easier to get approved. By using the card responsibly and paying your bills on time, you'll start building a positive credit history. Think of a secured credit card like training wheels for your credit. It allows you to practice using credit responsibly without taking on too much risk. Use the card for small, everyday purchases like groceries or gas, and pay off the balance in full each month. Avoid the temptation to overspend just because you have a credit limit. Remember, you're working towards building a good credit history, not accumulating debt. Many secured cards also offer rewards programs, so you can earn points or cash back while you build your credit. Another great way to build credit is to become an authorized user on someone else's credit card, like a parent, spouse, or trusted friend. This means you'll get a card in your name, but the account will be linked to the primary cardholder's credit history. Make sure the person whose account you're joining has good credit habits because their behavior will reflect on your credit score. As long as they continue to use the card responsibly, you'll benefit from their positive payment history. Section 6. The Golden Rules. Pay on time and keep it low. Now let's talk about the golden rules of credit. Paying your bills on time and keeping your credit utilization low. Remember how we said payment history is the most important factor in your credit score? That's because it shows lenders how reliable you are. Set up automatic payments or reminders to ensure you never miss a due date. Late payments can seriously hurt your credit score, so make it a priority to pay on time, every time. Section 7. Credit utilization, the 30% rule. Next up is credit utilization, which refers to the amount of credit you're using compared to your total available credit. A good rule of thumb is to keep your utilization below 30%. For example, if you have a credit card with a $1,000 limit, try to keep your balance below $300. High credit utilization can signal to lenders that you're relying too heavily on credit, which can lower your score. Section 8. Monitoring your credit. Stay informed. It's essential to keep an eye on your credit report and score regularly. You can access your credit report for free once a year from each of the 3 major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Review your report carefully for any errors or inaccuracies and dispute them immediately. Many free credit monitoring services and apps are available that can help you track your credit score and alert you to any suspicious activity. Staying informed is key to maintaining good credit health. Section 9. Common credit mistakes. Don't fall into the traps. Finally, let's talk about some common credit mistakes to avoid. Understanding these pitfalls can save you a lot of stress and money in the long run. One of the biggest mistakes is opening too many credit accounts in a short period. While it might seem like a good idea to have multiple lines of credit, it can actually harm your credit score. This can be a red flag to lenders, signaling that you're desperate for credit. Lenders may interpret this as a sign that you are in financial trouble or unable to manage your finances effectively. Another mistake is closing old credit accounts, even if you don't use them anymore. It might seem logical to close an account you no longer need, but this can negatively impact your credit score. Older accounts contribute to the length of your credit history, which is a positive factor in your score. The longer your credit history, the more information lenders have to assess your credit worthiness. And of course, always avoid missing payments, even if it's just a small amount. Missing payments can lead to late fees and higher interest rates, and it can significantly damage your credit score. Building good credit takes time and effort, but it's one of the best investments you can make for your financial future. Consistently making on-time payments and managing your credit responsibly will pay off in the long run. So, be patient, Stay informed and use credit responsibly, and you'll be well on your way to financial success. Educate yourself about credit and financial management to make informed decisions. Remember, a good credit score opens doors to lower interest rates, better loan terms, and greater financial freedom. With a strong credit score, you can achieve your financial goals more easily and enjoy the benefits of financial stability. It's also important to seek professional advice when needed. Financial advisors can provide personalized guidance to help you navigate complex credit situations and improve your financial health. Utilize tools and resources available to you, such as credit monitoring services, to keep track of your credit score and stay on top of any changes. This proactive approach can help you address issues before they become major problems. Budgeting is another crucial aspect of managing your credit. By keeping a close eye on your income and expenses, you can ensure that you live within your means and avoid accumulating unnecessary debt. Setting financial goals can also help you stay focused and motivated. Whether it's saving for a down payment on a house, paying off student loans, or building an emergency fund, having clear objectives can guide your financial decisions. Regularly review your credit card statements and credit reports to ensure there are no errors or fraudulent activities. Disputing inaccuracies promptly can prevent them from affecting your credit score. If you find any discrepancies, don't hesitate to contact the credit bureaus and your creditors to resolve them. Taking these steps can protect your credit and ensure that your credit report accurately reflects your financial behavior. By avoiding common credit mistakes and taking proactive steps to manage your credit, you can build a strong financial foundation. This will not only improve your credit score, but also enhance your overall financial well-being. Ultimately, good credit management is about making informed choices and staying disciplined. With dedication and the right strategies, you can achieve financial success and enjoy the benefits of a healthy credit score. Share your financial journey and successes with others. By doing so, you can inspire and motivate those around you to take control of their credit and work towards their own financial goals. Continue to educate yourself and stay updated on best practices for credit management. Attend seminars, read books, and seek advice from experts to keep improving your financial knowledge and skills. Empower yourself with the knowledge and tools needed to manage your credit effectively. With the right approach, you can navigate the complexities of credit and achieve lasting financial success. Subscribe to the Money Major channel to learn more about financial freedom and take control of your financial future today.